Hello everybody, how are we all doing out there? I hope you are fine, dandy, living your best life because it's the weekend and it's still good weather. I mean, I hope it is where you are. It's definitely good weather where we are. It is hot, 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 which is why my face is shiny AF. In fact, I'm just going to show you this quickly. I tried this moisturiser because I wanted to see if it would help mattify my face. It's from Tili. I got it in one of my sample things, I think from Feel Unique, and it says it's a moisturising mattifying fluid. Moisturising mattifying fluid, right? Does my face look mattified to you, or does it look like Shine City up here? I'm not meant to be shining to heaven. Anyway, shall we get down to business? It's my birthday month. Because it's my birthday month, I got extra birthday treats, including this. Ta-da! A Tili box. Do you know what a Tili box is? Well, if you'd like to find out, then please just give me a thumbs up. Let me know you enjoy these videos. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. I'd love it if you could join the Highdef family, and I'm still running a giveaway. If you want to find out more about that, check out this card above, see how you can enter and win yourself a great prize. And of course, that means subscribing to my channel. Why wouldn't you want to? And why don't you share this video, because I'm sure there's loads of people who are missing out on this box right now. Okay, let's get into the video. So I've seen a few people opening Tili boxes now. They are not a subscription box, they are a beauty box from QVC. My husband saw the QVC packaging. He was like, what have you been doing? Wait until I go to sleep and order late night weird stuff from QVC, because he knows I like to watch the infomercials. But no, I just ordered this, a one-off box, and it's £20, and apparently it's worth at least 60 or 80, I think. I can't remember, something like that. And it's packed full of interesting stuff, or at least I hope it is, because otherwise I'll be very sad. The box itself is beautiful, so it's like a pinky lilac-y colour with this purple stripe, and it feels very well made and put together. So it's Tili, try it, love it. Love purple things. I've got two of these pamphlets in the top. Oh, and then it looks like this. Oh, I can see something familiar in there. Shall we read the information? Violet blooms, back with the best for spring 2018. Discover a raved about Cru Eye Cream. It better work better than its mattifying cream thing that I just tried. The latest cleanser from Elemis. Ooh, and a new one to watch, Rose Tonic by Pixie, along with much more. So first we have this from Magnetone London, and it is a wipeout, the amazing microfiber cleansing cloth. I actually have a video on this. I'll just put a link up there and maybe in the description box. These do really work. They're great. You literally, I don't know where mine is. It's a pink fluffy cloth. Oh, but this one's not pink. Oh, I might have to keep this one to myself. Look, it's lilac. Purple to go with the box, violet I guess. Oh, and it's so soft. So all you have to do is you get this wet and then you wipe your makeup off with it, and it works perfectly. And then you wash it in the washing machine to get it clean again, and off you go. This is from Nails Inc. It's called Duke Street. I like the colour, but you know that I don't usually do my own nails, but maybe I should. Now, we've all heard of Molten Brown, haven't we? You know you're in a good hotel when you get those little bottles from Molten Brown. This is a purifying shampoo with Indian cress. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, so nice. And there is a matching conditioner, purifying conditioner, also with Indian cress. And that also smells amazing. I wish I had smell-o-vision to show you this because it's so good. Then we have this from Pixie, Skin Treats Rose Tonic Nourishing Toner. It says it's soothing and rich in nutrients. This tonic helps to tone, balance pH and calm skin, alcohol free. Apparently Pixie toners are where it's at when it comes to toning, and this is the new one, so I'm very excited to try this. I've never tried a Pixie toner before, and we'll see if it does great things to my skin. So I've seen some people like Chloe Morello and things who are really into the Pixie toners. So I'm excited to try this. I've never heard this brand. Vita Liberata Luxury Tan Body Blur. Instant HD Skin Finish 24-hour wear, medium latte, 7ml sample. So not very big, but let's have a look, see what it does to the skin. So it comes out that colour. So that on me is like, if I had a bit of a suntan, that is like skin colour. It's almost like a foundation. But I guess it's a tanning thing. You know, if I mix that with a bit of moisturiser, I might be able to put it on my face and help even out my skin and just have a better overall face for the day. Because that's nearly there, isn't it? Next up, we have this from Caudalie Premier Cru, the eye cream. Just the eye cream. Just says apply morning and evening. I might have to look this up and tell you some more stuff about this. There's still more things in this box. Next we have this, which is a great size from Elemis. It says it's a gentle face wash. It revives and refreshes while deeply cleaning the skin. Nutrient-dense superfoods have been chosen to enhance natural radiance for an outdoor fresh glow. So this is the last of our small items, and look, what is it? What is it? It says it's by Your Zuki. Vitamin Zuki, 8 essential vitamins, 100% of your recommended daily allowance in blackcurrant. Contains milk, and it has vitamins D3, vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B6, B9 and B12. No capsules, just Zuki. It is true that all these vitamins are essential, and I either take supplements of some of them like vitamin D, and I also have jabs for some of my B vitamins like B12. I actually have a jab for that, as well as extra folate and stuff, and it is really important and we don't get enough. So if you've never been checked, you should probably have a vitamin blood test. It's really quick, not too painful, I mean, unless you really hate blood tests, or even just take some extra supplements in your life because you may be a bit deficient. Most people are, especially vitamin D. I'm not a doctor, it's just my feeling. I just feel like people should probably have more vitamins because of what I've found out in my life. Anyway, do you dare me to eat this? I think I need to find out a little bit more and then we'll see. So the last item is in here, and it's a big one because this is probably the only full-size item, unless that face wash is full-size. It's from Percy and Reed, and it says, I never dreamed I'd make it this big. Big, bold and beautiful dry instant volumizing spray. It says, welcome to the big time. Our amazing, totally non-sticky, dry instant volumizing spray plumps up your hair in a flash. It's a doddle to use and gives you happy head of I can't say this. It's a doddle to use and gives you a happy head full of body, bounce, volume and texture for hair that's bigger and fuller than you ever dreamed. Apply to dry hair, shake the can well, hold from the 10 centimeters from hair, lift and massage the hair, spraying in from underneath in an upward direction. Work in with your fingers to create the desired volume and style. The more you massage the hair in an upwards direction while spraying, the more volume you create. Wow, this sounds like a two-handed situation. I might get husband to help me with this because that's a two-hand job and I can't do it. And if I want sort of this bit bigger,
spray it down.
Lift it, and you spray it here.
No?
Yeah, like 10 centimetres away.
Oh, bloody hell.
And then I
safety catch on it.
Massage it and lift it upwards. I don't know how you're supposed to massage it as you spray it. That sounds like a lot. Are you supposed to spray a lot?
Yeah, it's got some volume to it.
Is that a bit bigger?
Possibly, yeah.
Oh, like I think there is a bit of height there, actually.
It's there.
Yeah, look. And that is just
one
a very
spray.
inept spraying. Not from him,
It's a
from
man
me.
doing it.
I think I'm going to have some fun with this, actually. I'm going to have this bit flat. I'm going to have this bit big. I'm going to be living my best volumized life. You just wait for it. Okay, thank you. Loving my new hair. So I'm just looking up this Zuki stuff. It says it's a liquid combination of essential vitamins and healthy fats, an easy absorbable way to tick the boxes for 8 essential vitamins. It has a picture of it next to some pancakes. You can just eat this. Non-GMO, soy-free, sugar-free, organic, gluten-free and vegetarian. So I guess the proof is in the pudding. Should we just taste it? All right, let's see if I can get it open. Oh, this does not taste good. I'm just going to put a bit on my finger. It looks like yellow snot or something else, you know, that you might not want to swallow. Oh. I don't know where the blackcurrant's supposed to be, but this tastes like food. Let's trick husband. Can you just come and taste this?
Oh, taste? Oh, I always like taste stuff, yeah. What is it?
Just get a little bit on your finger, don't like suck it off.
Oh, it stinks.
What's it smell of? It smells like food, doesn't it?
That's horrible.
You wouldn't want to take this every day?
What are you supposed to do with it? Just take a shot of that?
It's vitamins. You're supposed to have it as a shot, or you can put it in like a smoothie or on some food.
I'd try it in a smoothie, but it doesn't sound, it doesn't look, or it doesn't taste.
Does it taste of blackcurrant?
No, you said that. It's like a berry kind of.
But
It's not.
this isn't nice.
No. I'd rather just
Take a vitamin tablet?
take a tablet or, you know, eat some vegetables or fruit.
Yeah, take a vitamin tablet, eat some vegetables or fruit. I can't finish this, to be honest. The taste is still in my mouth. It's gross. Yeah, fail. But there you go. You've watched something funny. You've seen me eat this gross, gross stuff. I went away to add everything up and tell you all about it, because that's what I do. And I've got quite a lot more information, like, you know, not loads, like 5 minutes or so. But I'm going to tell you the price now, and then if you want to keep watching to find out stuff about the products, which is really interesting, I think, and I think you will think so, because it does make or break whether you'd want to buy them or not, then you can carry on watching after that. So, the total value of this box is £65.17. That is pretty damn good considering it cost £20. That is really great value for money. And I really like this box. I'm really excited to try some different things that I wouldn't have thought of getting. I'm quite happy about my hair. Has it gone down or is it still okay? Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that hair product because I've been looking for something like that I can use and my hair will be a bit volumized here. That's what I really, really want. But with minimal effort because that's what my body can cope with. So yay for us spoonies, we need that kind of thing. Right, into the info. This is worth $7.99. If you want yours in this violet colour, then you can only get it in this box. I haven't seen anywhere else you can buy it online. You can't get it from the normal Magnetone website. The only ones you can get there are pink and grey, and you can get that in a duo set for £15, or you can get the single pink ones on their own for $7.99. So this is really cool, and I'm sorry, I'm keeping it. This is more than just a nail polish. It's not quite full size. Full size is 14mm. This is 10mm. However, this is actually made with kale, and it has it's actually smoked lilac colour. It's supercharged. It's deeply nourishing, protects against splitting. It has vitamins A, C and K. It's got which stimulates keratin production. It's got their patented regenerating complex, which helps your nails grow strong and stay strong. And yeah, how exciting. More than just nail polish, so that's pretty good. Although, wouldn't you put like a barrier nail polish on before this? Or maybe this is just, doesn't even need it. I don't know. This body blur that I put on my hand is actually supposed to be like body makeup, so you can cover up scars and veins and things that you don't want to see with it, basically. They do show in the pictures people being covered head to toe. I guess it smooths me out. I mean, if you look at this hand to this hand, you can see the veins a bit more in this hand than this one. They're not gone completely. I do, however, think that this is too small to do that much with. I am going to try it on my face, but where would I put this? It's not exactly the same colour as me, so I wouldn't want to be patchy by having it in different areas. But I am looking forward to trying it on my face. Do you know what I might be able to use it on? Stretch marks. No. If I put it on dark enough to cover a stretch mark or a blemish, it's too dark for my skin. If I sort of blend it out, you can still see what's underneath it. But I am going to give it a go on my face. This Premier Cru Eye Cream is a sample, but it's not that small because the full size is 15 and this is 5. This has got really great reviews. You're supposed to use it under your eye, on your eyelid, and even around your lip contour as well. So I'm very excited to use that because you know how I hate my eye bags and I want them gone. This is supposed to help with darkness, help smooth it out, plump it out, be excellent. happy for that. This is part of their new Rose collection. It's supposed to hydrate and neutralise skin, normalises hydration levels and removes any impurities. It's paraben free, not tested on animals. Full size is 100ml, this is 40ml sample, so pretty good sizing. It's naturally soothing and rich in nutrients. This tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimise redness and calm skin. And if you can see my face, you can see the redness. So I'm super excited to start using this. That is all I wanted to say extra about those products. You see, it wasn't that long, I didn't go on too much. And I am really excited to try the items out in this box. I do not think this will be the last Tili box you see me unbox here, because it's pretty good, isn't it? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and it was helpful. Let me know all your thoughts down below, and until you see me again, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys!